Good morning, students. So we have completed our grammar topic, that is prefixes and suffixes. And yesterday we have revised suffixes. Suffixes are the words that are added at the end to form a new meaningful word. Fine. Yesterday we have studied suffixes of noun. We can form abstract noun by adding suffixes. Abstract noun refers to feelings, ideas or emotions. We can only feel them. We cannot see, touch, hear, smell or taste them. Fine. Like honesty was the word. So honesty is abstract noun. I have added the word Y at the end. So Y was the suffix. Fine. So today we are going to revise prefixes. So let's start. So today we are going to revise prefixes. As I have told you, prefixes are the words that are added in the beginning to form a new word. Okay. And suffixes are the words that are added at the end to form a new word. This we have studied in our earlier classes. Prefixes. Prefixes are letters that are added to the beginning of words to form a new word. Fine, as I have told you, the group of letters that is added in the beginning to form a new meaningful word is known as prefix. A prefix is a group of letters placed before the root word, before the root of a word. Like for example, as you can see, the first one is miss. Now I have used MIS in the beginning and then the root word is calculate. So I have added miss in the beginning. So the new word that is formed is miscalculate. So MIS is added in the beginning of the word. So MIS is a prefix and the root word is calculate. So by adding the prefix MIS, the new word that is formed is miscalculate. Similarly, the root word is behave. I have added MIS in the beginning. So the new word that is formed is misbehave. The root word was behave. I have added MIS in the beginning. So MIS is prefix and the new word that is formed is misbehave. Okay. Similarly, the next one is dis. Now qualify is the root word. I have added dis in the beginning. So the new word that is formed is disqualify. Similarly, you can make any sort of word, just it should have a meaning. Like is the word. If I am adding dis in the beginning, this is the prefix. So the new word that is formed is dislike. Fine. Like honest is the root word. DIS is coming in the beginning. So DIS is prefix and the root word is honest. And the new word that is formed by adding the prefix dis is dishonest. Fine. So it is quite clear that prefixes are letters that are added in the beginning of a word to form a new word. You can form any sort of word, just it should have a meaning. Fine. Like miss is coming in the beginning, miscalculate, misbehave. This is coming in the beginning, so this is prefix, disqualify, dishonest. Okay. Now here are some common prefixes, their meaning and example. Okay. So the first word is un. Un means not. Like as you can see, unhappy, unrest, unfriendly, unlike, unblock. You can make any sort of word. It is just that UN is coming in the beginning. So UN is the prefix and the new words that are formed are having meaning. Like unhappy means not happy. Unfriendly means someone who is not friendly. Fine. Like next is dis. Dis means not. Again, DIS is coming in the beginning. So dislike, disqualify, dishonest. You can form any sort of word. Just you have to add the word DIS in the beginning. That is the prefix, and the root word will come after the prefix. Fine. Next word is ill. Ill means not. Like before the word legal and literate, I have used the prefix ill. So the new word that is formed is illegal, illiterate. Fine. Next word is im. Im means not. Now as you can see, the root word is possible. I have added im in the beginning. So im is the prefix and the new word that is formed is impossible. Similarly, prison is the root word. I have added im in the beginning. So im is the prefix and the new word that is formed is imprison. You can have plenty of examples. Like next word is in. In means not. Now correct is the word, bound is the root word. I am adding in the beginning, and we all know that prefixes are group of letters that are added in the beginning to form a new word. So incorrect, inbound, these are the new words that are formed with the prefix in. Next word is ir. Ir means not. Like responsible is the root word. I am adding ir in the beginning. So ir is prefix and the new word that is formed by adding the prefix ir to the root word responsible is irresponsible. Similarly, irrational, irrelative, you can form any sort of word. It is just that the prefix should come in the beginning and the word should have meaning. Fine. Like next word is miss. Miss means bad or wrong. As you can see, before the word fire, I have used the word miss. So miss is prefix and the new word that is formed is misfire. Similarly, miscalculate, before the root word calculate, I am using the prefix miss. So miss is prefix and the new word that is formed is miscalculate. Similarly, you can have example like misbehave. Like behave is the root word. We are using mis, that is miss, in the beginning. So miss is prefix because it is coming in the starting and the new word that is formed is miscalculate or misbehave. Okay. Like next word is non. Non means not or without. Before the root word sense, I have used the prefix non. So the new word that is formed by adding the prefix non is nonsense. Fine. So I hope it is clear now that prefixes, they are the group of words that are added in the beginning to form a new word. You can form any sort of word, just it should be meaningful. Fine. So this is your classwork. You have to make 3 meaningful words by using the following prefixes. First is non, second is over, third is re, fourth is n, fifth is mid and sixth is super. Fine. So this was your revision class for prefixes. We have understood that prefixes are group of words that are added in the beginning to form a new word. We are having one root word. We add some group of letters in the beginning of a root word to form a new word, new meaningful word. So the letters that are added in the beginning are known as prefixes. Okay, so you have to do this classwork in your notebook. Thank you.